Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox hair codes. Roblox offers a fantastic way to personalize your avatar using special hair codes. These unique identifiers let you unlock a wide array of hairstyles, transforming your character's look. We will cover where to find these codes and the simple steps to apply them, giving your avatar a fresh, new appearance in just a few moments. This process is straightforward and fun. Finding the perfect hair code is an exciting part of the customization journey. You can discover thousands of codes on dedicated Roblox fan sites, which often categorize them by style or popularity. Additionally, many community forums and social media groups frequently share new and trending codes. Remember to check the code's authenticity to ensure it works correctly when you try to use it. Applying your chosen hair code is a simple, three-step process. First, open the Roblox website or app and go to the avatar editor. Next, find the hair section among the customization categories. You will see a box where you can enter the hair's unique ID number. Paste your code there, click the Apply button, and watch your avatar's hairstyle change instantly. Here are a few important tips to keep in mind when using hair codes. Sometimes, a hair code might require you to own a particular item for it to display correctly on your avatar. Always double-check that the code you are using is specifically for hair and not for another accessory. Finally, have fun experimenting with many different codes to find the perfect look for your unique avatar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.